Now we are going to start to solve the problem which are based on expression of product in the form of sum or difference. So the first problem is, that is, write 2 sine 5 theta cos theta in terms of sum or difference. So the solution is, we have 2 sine A cos B. That is the first part of sin A plus B and sin A minus B. On adding, this gives sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So we get sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. So the given expression is in the form of sum and difference of the trigonometric expression. So the second problem is, which is based on this, that is, write 2 sine 4 theta sin 3 theta in terms of sum or difference. So we have to write again the product expression in the form of sum and difference. We have 2 sine 4 theta sin 3 theta. Both are the product in the sine form, and this will be arise from of cos formula, that is cos addition formula. So cos A minus B, that is 4 theta minus 3 theta, minus cos A plus B. So we get cos theta minus cos 7 theta. So the next problem on based on this, that is, write cos square theta in terms of sum or difference. So the solution is, as we have cos square theta, that is cos theta into cos theta, but we don't have 2 cos theta into cos theta, that is 2 cos A cos B. So we will divide and multiply it by 2. So we get 2 cos theta into cos theta. So this is 2 cos A cos B. That is, we have cos square theta is equal to half of 2 cos theta into cos theta. So we get half of cos A plus B, that is theta plus theta, plus cos of A minus B, that is theta minus theta. So we get half of cos 2 theta plus cos 0. So value of cos 0 is 1. So we can write half of cos 2 theta plus 1. So these are the 3 problems which are based on applying the direct formula of product in the form of sum or difference. So there are so many questions which will depend upon this, but there are only 4 formulas which are going to be used here. Now the next problem is, that is problem number 4. Prove that sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 80 degree is equal to 3 over 16. So if we see in this problem, these are the products, but there are 4 terms. So we will do it turn by turn. So by taking left hand side, we have sin 20 degree into sin 40 degree into sin 60 degree into sin 80 degree. So we have the value of sin 60 degree, that is under root 3 by 2. And now the remaining terms are sin 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 80 degree. We can take any two values. So first of all we are going to solve these two terms. So we multiply and divide by 2. So we get 2 sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 80 degree. So we get under root 3 over 4, that is both the term in sine. So we get cos A minus B minus cos A plus B into sine 80 degree. So we get here under root 3 over 4 cos 20 degree minus cos 60 degree into sine 80 degree. So we get under root 3 over 4 cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree minus under root 3 over 4 cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. Again cos 80 degree. So what is the value of cos 80 degree? That is 1 over 2. And in the first expression, again we will multiply and divide by 2. So we get under root 3 over 8, 2 cos 20 degree, cos 80 degree. Minus under root 3 over 4, value of cos 60 is half into sine 80 degree. So next we get, that is under root 3 over 8, 2 cos 20 degree and sine 80 degree. Sorry, not cos, it is sine. So make it clear, it is sine. Here it is also sine. Sorry. Do this question very carefully. A little bit mistake make the question wrong. So this is cos C minus cos C sine D. So it becomes sine formula, that is sine A plus B, that is 20 plus 80 plus sine 80 minus 20, that is sine A B, the A and B, minus under root 3 over 8 sine 80 degree as it is. Now the next one is under root 3 over 8 sine 100 degree plus under root 3 over 8 sine 80 degree minus under root 3 over 8 sine 80 degree. So these will be cancelled out and we will remain with sine 60 degree. So now under root 3 over 8 sine 100 degree can be written as what? 180 minus 80 degree. So under root 3 over 8, what is the value of sine 60? That is under root 3 over 2. That is minus under root 3 over 8 into sine 80 degree. So we get under root 3 over 8 sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So it becomes 3 over 16 minus under root 3 over 8 sine 80 degree. So we get 3 over 16, which is equal to right hand side. So our result is proved. Then here we see that we use so many times product form in the form of sum of difference. So while doing such type of problem, do this problem very carefully. Now the next problem is, if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then find maximum and minimum value of sin A into sin B. So as we have sin A into sin B is equal to sin A into sin 90 degree minus A, as A plus B is 90. So B is 90 degree minus A. So sin 90 degree minus A is cos A. So to make it in the form of product, so we have to multiply and divide by 2. So it is 2 sin A cos A. So we get sin A plus B minus plus sin A minus B. So we get here sin 2A plus sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. So we get half sin 2A. As we know that value of sin is lying between -1 and 1, that is the range of sine function. So we have to find half of sin A, as half is positive, so there will be no difference in the inequality sign. So it remains same. So we get half sin A lying between -half and half. Therefore, maximum value of sin A into sin B is half, and minimum value of sin A into sin B is -half. So you have seen that in such type of problem, just express the given expression in cos or sine form. As we know the range of cos of sine, that will be very helpful to find out the maximum or minimum value of a given function, that is in the form of sine and cos.